Serial. Hindutva believes that as a political platform, mine is the only way, and Hinduism believes as a religion and a spiritual platform that there is room for a lot of others along the way. So for instance, while there's some Hindu practices, 1 minute, where Hindu practices and Hinduism can imagine love between Hindus and Muslims, a Hindutva practitioner will say, no, this is love jihad. So a Bengali Hindu eating meat will offer meat to Ma Kali, but a practitioner of Hindutva will say that's not on. So a Hindu doesn't need to bother about the fact that there are lots of things that we do, including imagining Ma Kali in a form and referring to Krishna as the love of my life. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not blasphemy. But for a Hindutva, that is blasphemy. So the core question here is, does Hinduism need to protect itself from Hindutva? I would say that the best way to continue to protect Hinduism is to continue to realize that Hindutva is there because Hindutva was there, because Hinduism was there. Hindu ache bole Hindutva holo. It is not the other way around. So in a way, when Hinduism is religious, it is spiritual, and the only need of the hour is to free it from this Hindutva sort of brand of rabid, noxious political nationalism that has overtaken it. And
we've got to wind up.
Sorry. Mr. Manishankar, I referred to this. I'm going to wind up right here. Now, when we're talking of Calcutta Club, one of the most important things about Calcutta Club that I remember from my childhood used to be the Christmas lunch. And while everyone wore their Santa hats inside, including, I'm sure, Mr. Das Gupta, and enjoyed his turkey and Christmas pudding, you had lots of people going outside and saying, "Oi dekchi, shota hocche Calcutta Club. Shekhane elitera boshe, Santa tupi pore, tara bideshi khabar khaye." But you know what? Even today in Bengal, that same thing has been replicated in Park Street. No one's tried to ruin it what was happening in Calcutta Club. That's the difference between Hinduism and Hindutva. We have tried to replicate this somewhere else rather than coming in and saying, let's destroy this once and for all. So that's the classic difference between there. Hindutva is there because we as Hinduism allow it to, not the other.